In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email receipts to Expensify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your expenses, how to attach receipts, and the easiest ways to get receipts into your account straight from your inbox or phone. Start by opening Expensify and heading to the home screen. If you're not already signed in, log in first so you can access your workspace. From the left-hand menu, click Reports to get oriented. This area shows the reports your expenses roll up into. Next, switch to expenses on the left. This is where you'll manage individual transactions and pair them with receipts. At the top, use the search bar to quickly find what you need. You can type a merchant name, date, amount, or keyword to filter results fast. If you're not sure what you're looking for, simply browse the list below and sort by date or amount to narrow things down visually. When you spot the expense that needs a receipt, click it to open the details panel. Inside the expense, you'll see several ways to add receipts. If you prefer using your phone, download the Expensify mobile app and scan the receipt there. A quick tip: lay the paper receipt flat in good lighting and fill the frame edge to edge so SmartScan can capture the merchant, date, and total accurately. If your receipt is an email, you can forward it to your account's official receipt forwarding email address. Make sure you send it from an email that's verified on your Expensify profile so it matches to your account. Attach the original receipt PDF or image when possible and keep the subject line simple. Expensify will handle the rest and auto-create or match the expense. Prefer texting? Add your mobile number in your account settings, then text a clear photo of the receipt to the designated short code listed in your Expensify account. This is handy when you're on the go and don't want to open the app. Back on the web, you can also click Add a Receipt right from the expense. Choose a file from your computer, PDF, JPEG, or PNG all work well, and confirm. Or, if it's quicker, drag and drop the file onto the upload area. When your file picker opens, select the image or PDF and click Open to start the upload. After the receipt is attached, review the details, confirm the date, merchant, and total, add a category or tag if required, and attach the expense to the correct report. That's it. You've successfully emailed or uploaded a receipt to Expensify and matched it to your expense.